What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we are going to go over this foam cannon. All right, now I don't know if I'm going to make it to cleaning the car today, but I will eventually get to cleaning the car. Let's go ahead and get into it. First thing we taking out is the cannon. All right, so right here you have your regulation right here. This is what we call the regulator if you're into like air tools and stuff. Right here you have a little nozzle, you have your little tube right here, and then you have your different nozzles when it comes to your connector. So it says right here, add warm water and soap to a bottle, insert the straw into the bottle suction port, connect the quick connector plug to your pressure washer gun. All right, so you can connect this to your pressure washer, adjust the foam level using the knob, and adjust the spray nozzle for desired fan pattern. Unlock the trigger gun to disperse thick foam. After cleaning, turn the knob to the end and spray pure water without foam for 10 seconds. And there goes your how to use. So right here you have your tube, and we're gonna put our tube right into here, bottom part right here, and it fits nice and snug. And then this part you have right here, this is like little filters and little holes right there so it don't get clogged up. Now the thing is, do we need a certain soap? I do have my pressure washer out. It says 3600 psi, so that must be the max. So this is my first attempt. I put in half water. I'm using this soap right here. I got this from Walmart, you guys. This is nothing special. I know they got soap out there that foam up, but we are going to try to use this one where it says max 1 ounce of ultimate wash per gallon. We don't have no measuring cup on us, you guys, so we're just going off by looks. And this is 1,000 milliliter bottle right here, so definitely not no gallon. So we're just going to test this out. If this don't work, we will get some foam soap. All right, let's see how this thing works. Let's turn it the other way, clockwise. You guys have these things. This is insane. This thing works. It actually works. Y'all see it. It's foaming. The car is white now. This is amazing. All right. Now, one thing I'm gonna say is this is regular soap, you guys. Oh, I didn't give myself enough string or cord, whatever you want to say. Now, the only thing with this is, of course, you need a pressure washer. If you don't have a pressure washer, I made a video on that too. So this is a cheap pressure washer from Sam's Club, you guys. I believe Amazon have it too. All right, you guys, so I sprayed the whole truck, and remember I used 500 milliliters. I sprayed the whole truck and all the 500 is gone. So that gives you a little heads up on how much to use or how much you use on the vehicle that you're spraying. Now I believe if you turn this, what they say, counterclockwise, should be regular water. Let's see. Oh, nope. That closes it. So it must be the top part. So let's go ahead. All right, so if I keep doing that, for me, it will take forever to clean this truck off. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead, I'm gonna take my whole water hose off and go ahead and spray it down, and that will be it with this review. All right, you guys, and before I close out the review, they do have the extra nozzles that come with it. So you have the 0 degrees, 15, they have the 40 degree sprayer. They have, I believe this should be the regular sprayer. And then they have a 25 degree sprayer. So they give you extra attachments. I didn't use them because if you're into like washing and power washing and all that, you may have like 50,000 of these connectors, you guys. I'm just going to be honest. I have 200 myself, so this is just more to add to the collection. But anyways, that's a plus to have just extra sprayers. Other than that, that will be it with the foam sprayer. I'm amazed. Okay, so like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.